how do you add a weekly event on the iPhone calendar? Let me show you how it works, and if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, plenty of different ways how you can do this, but a lot of people use the Apple Calendar, right? So you can open up that app and basically get inside, start, or click the plus button to start a new event, or hold down on the place on the calendar to initiate the event like that. Obviously, you fill out the information like the title and if it's supposed to be all day or specific time, whatever. But the thing that we are interested in right now is the repeating option. So you can click on repeat, which by default is going to show you the never option, meaning that you set up an event and it's done. It's for that time only. But you can also click on the event and decide that it's going to be repeating every day or every week, which is likely the thing that you are interested in, or a couple of these options. But the other one at the bottom is custom. And that is interesting just in case none of these options above are like good enough for you. So you then click on custom and you decide the frequency, for example, that in here you choose weekly right there, but you choose that it's going to be like every third week or every fifth week, whatever. And also the days of the week during which it's supposed to be repeated, right? So it just gives you much more customization options for you to decide how your event is supposed to look. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.